name is Michelle. I live in Santa Clara. We hired Done Right to remodel our kitchen and dining, as well as a bedroom and bathroom. Ray from Done Right was the first appointment that we had, and we liked him immediately. He was very personable. He listened to what we wanted to do, elaborated on that, and gave us some suggestions, showed us previous work that he had done that was very in line with what we were looking for. From our initial meeting with him, we had a really good rapport. He was always very communicative about what was the next steps. We could easily reach out to him either through text, call, WhatsApp. We were always in constant contact. It just made it very easy to get things taken care of in a very timely fashion. And actually, our estimated timeline was less than what they initially gave us. So we were very, very pleased with that. The day-to-day crew were great. The project manager would keep us informed about what they would be doing the next day during that week, respectful of us working from home during the construction. They would let us know when they needed to turn off the electricity for a little bit or the water. They were very punctual every day. They'd come around the same time. They'd start their cleanup and leave about the same time every day. They worked really hard all day long. They were very respectful of us. If we ever needed anything, we could easily ask them to help. We never felt like we were disconnected. We absolutely love the new space. It's almost like living in a brand new house. We love it. We can't wait to really get in and settle into our new life in our brand new space and be able to have friends and family over. We would definitely recommend Ray. Actually, we did already recommend Ray, and I would definitely recommend him and the team again.